This pilot can empty a beverage into a glass while flying upside down. There is no magic going on. It's playing with the G powers of the plane. This photographer created some amazing time-lapse footage on Mount Everest. This professional rock climber is attempting to move around the chair without touching the ground. This eagle is simply minding his business when a turtle started biting at his feet. This baby loves first taste of bacon.
Eat some more.
Eat some more bacon.
Oh, that's delicious.
This man risks his life by cutting a 100-foot Californian plum tree.
Ay, Dios santo. A la verga, compa.
This guy high-fives professor after taking beer pong shot during lecture. This person has a framed hologram of a microscope that allows you to look inside. This man tried to catch a catfish, but he found a big alligator.
It's gotta be. Getting him off the bottom is a little bit tough.
Yeah. We'll be eating good tonight.
Let's see, yeah. That's a big catfish.
Not a catfish.
This adorable dog and cat share bath together. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed. I will see you very soon.